Hello everyone, how have you been? Some of you asked me questions related to dictionaries, so I thought of making this video today. The first question, what is the right age to introduce a dictionary to your child? 3+. Now you might ask me, ma'am, they don't know how to read or write. Fine, no problem. Our knowledge is a result of 5 senses. Okay, so if they can't read or write, they can see. They can hear, they can feel, they can taste, okay? So learning is all about these 5 senses, all right? Now, there are different kinds of dictionaries available in the market for that age group. You can start with phonetics. Yes, that's the best way to introduce dictionary to your child. You can introduce picture dictionaries to your children like these, okay? Now, this one was a return gift. I had the opportunity to meet Ruskin Bond and even got a selfie with him. He sang a Hindi song, just a few lines, for all the teachers who were there present in that workshop. So yes, that was one of the best days of my life. So this is a beautiful book, okay? It has illustrations in it according to the letters, okay, to the alphabets. Okay, I don't know if you can see it clearly. See? Okay, so the letter N is there, and then you have the pictures and the illustrations along with the words and meanings. You can also introduce encyclopedia as they start growing up. Okay, like this is the World Encyclopedia and it's mentioned children's. Okay, children's encyclopedia. You have Earth Encyclopedia, and if you see the pictures inside, it's beautiful and very well illustrated. Do you see that? As you see, this one is encyclopedia with interesting facts. Again, this is junior encyclopedia. You have encyclopedia on space. Okay, so you have all kinds available in the market, even online. But here I would like to request one thing. When you're introducing dictionaries to your children, please make sure that they are attractive, colorful. Please make sure that the pictures are big enough, okay? Avoid introducing black and white at that initial stage. As your child starts growing up, you can introduce proper dictionaries, but make sure that it's age specific. Don't give them this, okay, this thick one. No, please, they would get scared. Okay, so there are age-specific dictionaries available in the market. Search for them and then buy them for your children. Here, I would like to thank my little nephew, Rishan. He shared an image yesterday. Okay, according to that, there are thousands of obsolete words in dictionaries. Okay, so you don't want to put that heavy weight on their teeny-weeny shoulders. So please buy age-specific dictionaries. What about you? You can use any dictionary you want to. Okay, now, if you're looking for a set of words related to any specific field, you have dictionaries for that as well. I went to the market once and I had some issues with my laptop. So that guy said that it would take about 45 minutes. So I went out, explored the market, and I chanced upon this bookshop. Okay. Thankfully, I did not have cash with me, else I would have ended up buying all the books there. Okay, after some time, I was already carrying a mountain, okay, in my arms. In that, I had this set of these 6 books. Not books, dictionaries. Okay, so this one is business. Okay, so this is a pocket business dictionary. This one is thesaurus. This one is computer. This one is grammar speech style dictionary. This one is medical and first aid dictionary. And this one, spelling. These books, little dirty, okay, these books are a little dirty, but it doesn't change the quality inside. All right, that's the best part about the books. So you can go for any dictionary you want to. I have a few more dictionaries and I would like to share them with you. This one is a glossary of literary terms. All right. This one is a dictionary of common errors. Okay. I have another one and it's a dictionary of synonyms and antonyms. All right. I haven't removed the brown cover because these two books were gifts from my father. I think it was, yeah, 13th January 2002. Wow. So my father would always cover the books with brown paper. It's his handwriting, so I haven't removed the brown cover and it looks as new as ever, right? Let's talk about the advantages. First, sequencing. Of course, dictionaries follow the alphabetical order. Okay. Next, enhancement of your vocabulary. Of course, you learn a lot of words, right? Next, research skills. It improves your research skills. It also helps you in English. How? When you are communicating, when you are writing anything, when you are presenting something, it helps you immensely. So your writing skills improve and your communication skills improve. We need words to express, right? So if you have the magical box of your favorite vocabulary, favorite words, okay, what will happen? You will never falter. And for your children, I would like to suggest that make dictionary, the usage of dictionary, interesting. Introduce some games like, okay, like I used to play with my children. Picture dictionary, so I would tell them that it's a picture of grapes. So find them. So they'll go to G, okay, then follow R. And that way they would find the pictures. So make it interesting through games, all right? Some of you asked me that for my word a day challenge, which dictionary did I use? Online or paper dictionary? I used both, I'll be honest. Yes, I used both. But if you want to know about my preference, it's always paper dictionary. I get distracted because on my screen I can see various other things when I'm looking for a word or etymology or usage. So I can't manage so much at a time. I can't juggle with so many things. So that's why I prefer paper dictionaries. You might call me old school. I don't mind it. I'm not growing any younger. You can see gray hair, right? So I'd say that it's completely your choice and requirement. All right. When I needed, I even went online and it helped me immensely. So dictionary is a dictionary. Use it extensively. That's it. Online or paper doesn't matter. Just use them. All right. I'm away these days because I'm writing my first book, and when I began, I didn't realize that it would be an uphill task. I hope this video was helpful. If you have more questions, please let me know. Keep learning, stay blessed, stay safe.